Explore applications of technology and medicine. See how experts prevent, diagnose, and treat today's most traumatic illnesses. Discover the latest breakthroughs in healthcare on World Business Review's Health Journal Television.
Welcome to WBR's Health Journal Television. I'm Alexander Haig. Over the years, the field of radiation oncology has made remarkable strides. However, where cancer is concerned, winning the battle is not necessarily winning the war. Prowess tells us that a key to better treatment comes in the form of better planning. Here for this discussion is John Wynn, President and CEO of Prowess. Welcome, John. We're delighted to have you.
I'm glad to be here.
Now, also here from the Department of Radiation Oncology at the University of Maryland School of Medicine is Dr. Cedric Yu. Welcome, Dr. Yu. We're delighted to have you.
Thanks, Al.
And finally, we have Dr. Yu's colleague, Dr. Dave Shepard. Welcome to you, Dr. Shepard.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
Good. Now we'll start with you, Dr. Shepard. Tell us about the role of treatment planning in radiation therapy.
Well, over 50% of patients diagnosed with cancer will receive radiation as part of their course of treatment. For each of these patients, we develop a customized treatment plan that allows us to visualize the patient's anatomy and analyze the quality of the radiation dose distribution in the patient.
Your turn, Dr. Yu. What has been the most important innovation in treatment planning in recent years?
The most important advancement in radiation therapy planning is the development of intensity modulated radiation therapy. Intensity modulated radiation therapy, or IMRT in short, is a technology that allows us to deliver the full dose to the tumor while sparing the surrounding critical structures.
Now your turn, John. Tell us about intensity modulated radiation therapy, or IMRT, and Prowess's role in its advancement.
IMRT has a great benefit for cancer patients, but it takes a long time to treat, and the machine has to run much longer to deliver the radiation. Prowess has worked very close with University of Maryland to develop the new IMRT technique. We call it direct aperture optimization, or DAO. With Prowess DAO technique, the treatment time has been reduced and still maintain all the benefits of IMRT. For many patients, their treatment time has been cut in half, and their exposure to radiation has been reduced. The new DAO technique allows more cancer patients to receive IMRT treatment.
For more on this important subject, let's go to this Health Journal Television field report.
Ever since medical science first identified and gave the disease of cancer a name, a cure has been sought. While the elusive search for an ultimate solution continues, great strides have indeed been made in diagnosis and treatment, especially in the area of radiation oncology. Prowess tells us how they're trying to meet the challenges of better treatment options.
The most exciting technology is a new delivery approach called intensity modulated radiation therapy, or IMRT. And the biggest challenge with IMRT is that it's such a complex delivery approach that the treatment times can become very long, and it also puts excessive wear and tear on our treatment machines.
Administering radiation therapy is, of course, a given. However, formulating a plan of attack that will garner the best possible results is something quite different.
Well, Prowess has developed a new technology in conjunction with the University of Maryland School of Medicine called direct aperture optimization. And what we can do with direct aperture optimization is get all of the benefits of this intensity modulated radiation therapy, but greatly simplify the plans so that we can deliver the plans efficiently and put less burden on our treatment machines.
Medical researchers around the globe have put improving cancer treatment atop their lists, convinced that there has to be a better way.
Our treatment planning systems optimize the treatment plan to be as short as possible, but still able to maintain the same endpoint that current planning systems allow us to achieve. That translates into benefits for the patient on multiple levels.
With cancer being among the most aggressive and prevalent diseases worldwide, radiation oncology is one of the most important areas of medical research. And every day the future looks a little brighter for those undergoing treatment. But what of those who are yet to be diagnosed?
In the long term, Prowess is trying to position itself as the leader in the treatment planning market with advances such as image fusion and direct aperture optimization. They are leading the way in developing new technologies in the treatment planning field.
The goal is to combine scientific minds and a strong human spirit to eventually conquer this plague on human life. But for now, creating better treatment options is a leap in the right direction. For Health Journal Television, this is Mark Streeter reporting.
Now, Dr. Yu, why are Prowess's treatment planning systems better than those of their competitors?
Well, as we have seen in the field report, the key advantage of Prowess IMRT solution is you can treat the patient in much shorter time. Now, this beyond the patient comfort or the less wear and tear of the machine, there are actually more advantages because it's much easier to keep the patient still for 10 minutes rather than 30 minutes. And that translates to a more accurate delivery.
Very good. Now, John, in your view, what are the key ingredients to be successful in the radiation therapy market today?
The most important ingredients is custom focus. We work closely with physicians and medical physicists to meet their needs and fit their budgets. For example, we will release the jaw-only IMRT.
Now, Dr. Shepard, can you explain the concept and advantages of jaws-only IMRT?
Well, the delivery of IMRT has generally been limited to treatment machines with a specialized beam shaping device called a multi-leaf collimator. Unfortunately, many clinics do not have access to this technology, so they've been unable to offer their patients the most advanced form of radiation therapy. Now, working with the University of Maryland, Prowess has developed a new technology called JAWS-only IMRT that allows us to both plan and deliver IMRT on treatment machines without a multi-leaf collimator. This means that more clinics will be able to benefit from IMRT, and many of these clinics thought that IMRT was out of their financial grasp, and now they'll be able to offer this advanced technology to all of their patients.
Now, Dr. Yu, how have cancer patients benefited from Prowess direct aperture optimization technology?
Lots of sites can benefit from this technology. For example, breast poses a special challenge for intensity modulated radiation therapy because the breast moves when patient breathes during treatment. Prowess technology already incorporated the effects of motion into the planning process, and therefore you deliver a more uniform dose to the breast and spares the less chance for lung and skin complications. For other complicated sites like head neck sites, like prostate, and we found that Prowess system does a very good job in sparing the cord, the parotid gland for the head neck region, and rectum and bladder in the prostate region.
Now, John, what is unique about the Prowess product range?
First of all, we have exclusive right to offer DAOs and jaw-only for IMRT. We provide the most practical solution of IMRT planning for the breast cancer. All of our products are window-based. This allows physicians to repair and review their plans anywhere. And Prowess is the most user-friendly system on the market.
All right, now, gentlemen, at this juncture, we turn to the future. And what we'd like you to do is to give our viewers a picture of what you see coming down the road. Dr. Yu, what would be your opinion on what the future is going to bring in radiation therapy?
Well, to look at the crystal ball, which is not my specialty, it is, I would say, in imaging. Mm-hmm. Combining imaging with treatment planning is the key for the future to make it more effective, make the radiation therapy more effective for cancer treatment.
Now, John, what is the next evolutionary phase of these new treatment methods, and what do you foresee in Prowess's future?
Prowess will continue to invest heavily in research and development so that we can be the leader in treatment planning. Joint-only IMRT is a new feature that will allow many additional hospitals to offer their patients the benefits of the IMRT. For the long-term future, we continue to incorporate the new innovations from our collaborators, such as University of Maryland, Georgia Tech, Outer Bay Cancer Center in Berkeley, and University of California in San Francisco, to mention a few.
Now, once again, the clock tells me we're going to have to terminate this extremely dynamic and important subject. But before doing so, I'd like to thank our guest. First, you, John. We very much appreciate your presentation.
Thank you very much for having us here.
And Dr. Yu, we certainly appreciate your contributions as well.
Thank you very much for inviting us.
And finally, Dr. Shepard, thank you for your contribution.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching. Until next time, for Health Journal Television, I'm Alexander Haig.